Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Jordan 1 Mid in the Royal Black Toe colorway. Now before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23, as well as The Soul Luxury. That is my brand. Go check it out. But with that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. It's the craziest thing ever. Jordan 1 mids as well as Jordan 1 lows are finally starting to become a little bit popular, selling out quickly and even having some resale. If you would have told me this, 7 years ago, I would never believe. Mids and lows have always been hated on. It's always been the OG highs, and if it's not a high, then you don't mess with it. This is my first time buying a mid since 2013. So it's been 7 years. So actually my first pair of Jordans ever was a pair of Jordan 1 mids, and it was the all white colorway. Honestly, I thought they were super dope. I remember getting so many compliments. I was a sophomore in high school, thought I was super cool. And yeah, I beat those to the ground. Those were like my go-to shoes, and that's really what got me started in the sneaker game. So I gotta give a little bit of respect to the Jordan 1 mid model. Really, there's no reason to hate. I might as well review them because there's a lot of people out there who do like the mid and low versions. With that being said, let's get into the review. Starting off with the box. They always come in these boring, generic black Jordan boxes. Nothing special. Retail price $125. Now I didn't even realize Jordan 1 mids had that high of a retail. 125 bucks is kind of crazy to me. The lows are 90, so I thought the mids would be like 100 exact. In my opinion, that makes perfect sense. But 125, still not terrible. But I know you guys are here for the shoes, so let's get into it. And bam, the Jordan 1 mid in the royal black toe color. Now there was the Union black toe version of this shoe. It's pretty much the exact same as this colorway here, but instead of blue you had red on that pair, which a lot of people thought it paid homage to the Jordan 1 Unions, which honestly made a lot of sense because it looked a lot like them. So this is pretty much the same thing but only in a blue version. So on the heel section we got this blue suede material. Up on the heel you have a gray suede. I wouldn't say the suede is super high quality, but it's decent. You have a blue Air Wings logo. You got a black Nike logo, black outer lace with white leather underlays. Now your tongue is black, laces are black. Up at the top of the tongue you do have the Jumpman Air logo in blue. That is one thing that sucks about the mid model. You don't get the Nike Air logo up on the tongue, you just get the Jumpman Air. I guess it's really not that big of a difference. People just like the OG look. Now, like I said, I was gonna go over some of the differences from a mid to a high. Pretty much there's not a whole lot. Your heel section does go about, I think, a ½ an inch higher on the high version. Actually, let me see if I got a Jordan 1 somewhere. As you guys can see, the difference in height, not a big difference. But you guys can see there is definitely a height difference. So Jordan 1 mid, Jordan 1 high. Like I said, the Jumpman logo, whereas the Nike Air on the OG highs. You also have the stitches running through this tongue. It's more squared off, whereas this mid just has the patch and it's a little more rounded. Now, also a lot of mids usually come pre-laced. The Jordan 1 highs will be unlaced. They'll just have the first little loop done and then the laces will be tucked into the shoe. Also, Jordan 1s usually come with extra pair of laces, whereas mids will almost never get extra laces unless it's like some special edition. Now you got a black lining, black insole with a blue Jumpman logo in there. You guys can't see that, oh well. White midsole, blue outsole. Really, this isn't a terrible model. And like I said, it's crazy. Jordan 1 mids have actually been getting some resale. So actually the red pair of this version is going for about 150 to 160 on StockX. It's crazy that you can get a mid and actually make 20 to 40 bucks off of it. This one for some reason isn't on StockX yet, but places like eBay are selling it for around $150. You could probably make 15 to 40 bucks on this shoe depending on the size. And honestly, whenever you can make money, that's always a good thing. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this shoe, to be honest with you. I'm gonna try it on feet, and if I like it, I might actually keep it. If not, then I'll end up just selling it. So with that being said, let's get into the on foot.
Yeah, camo like the armor, bathing ain't my body. Yeah, camo like the armor, bathing ain't my body. Cocaine leather seeds, muddy drink that lean. Yeah, she swallowed me, my chopper got some cheese. Bitch, I'm a monster, banging on my chest. My slime gon' get you next, just watch me flex. Bitch, I'm in a scat, I burn gas like a jet. Pretty will swallow the bean, pretty will sucking on me. Smoking cookie dreams. Since the start, I've been at ALTLC. Baby girl, you say you love me, dumb it, we gon' see. Whoa, I just wanna be the best that I can be. But then my mama need a Bentley and a ring. I know it's hard sometimes on Stevie, but I wonder it's gon' be. I take a shorty to the hood and she like, damn, that's what you see. Shawty ain't no big homie, but my uncle let me see. $40, fuck that Prado, I bet, I hope you see. Peter big, but young fly legend, gripping high, grip this heat. Ain't no stepper, bro, eat curry when it's mixed on with. She call me sad, now she calling me baby, cause I'm driving her crazy. Oh yeah. She call me sad, now she calling me baby, cause I'm driving her crazy. Oh yeah. Give me neck in a coupe, that's a drop top. You want smoke, I'ma call it a hot box. When I ride Deal City, the top down, and I'm all in a kidney, I might drown. And I drive the top off, beat the pussy, Ali, that's a knockout. And I drive the top off, ain't no boogies and hoodies, we hot.
Bam. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe on feet. The Air Jordan 1 Mid in the royal blue black toe colorway. Let me know if you guys cop this shoe. Are you gonna cop now that you've seen this video? What are your opinions on Jordan 1 highs versus Jordan 1 mids? Let me know all the good stuff down in the comments below. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
Best believe it's getting done. Trust no one but in God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Nigga, dumb nigga. I ain't never ran from none, nigga. I ain't about to choose a day to have a run with you. Tough on the phone in the comfort.